Hello, my dear friends. Today I'm here to share with you all what Ho'oponopono is all about. Have you ever felt like this life isn't your first? That maybe we have been here before on this planet in different forms countless times. According to ancient wisdom and many spiritual teachings, that's exactly what's happened. We have lived many lives. But in this present life, we just don't remember our past ones, nor the karma we have created consciously or unconsciously. According to Dr. E. Haleakala Hewlett, a well-known teacher of Ho'oponopono, refers to all of this as data. This data is our past experiences, emotions, and karmic patterns, which keeps replaying in our subconscious mind, influencing the situations we face today. Ho'oponopono is a powerful spiritual process of cleansing that data. It's about accepting that as a soul we have reincarnated, carrying all the memories and karma of our past lives. And now, by taking 100% responsibility for everything we experience, we begin the process of healing, not just for ourselves but also for our relationships, our environment, and even our ancestors. When we say to the divine, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you, we are not blaming ourselves or nor regretting. We are simply acknowledging our connection to everything and everyone and taking responsibility for energy we carry. That is when the cleansing starts. That is when the real transformation begins. And remember, the moment we accept responsibility for our own karma, we open the door for deep divine healing, friends. At first glance, these four simple phrases, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, may seem too easy to carry such deep power. But here is the truth. They work like a delete button on a computer. They help us clear the data stored in our subconscious mind. Data made up of old memories, karmic imprints, and emotional patterns. According to Dr. Hewlett, when we take 100% responsibility and acceptance for the situations we face, even the painful or confusing ones, we acknowledge that they are being triggered by old memories within us, not someone else, not fate, but our own inner programming. Now, here is the beauty of it. You don't have to believe in it for it to work. Simply by repeating these four phrases with sincerity, you're re-educating your subconscious mind, which is again the inner child. There is no need to count how many times you say them. There is no special time or ritual. You can do it while driving, cooking, sitting quietly. Because this is not about logical mind, friends. It's a soul work. It works metaphysically. When your conscious mind takes complete responsibility, your inner child, which is our subconscious mind, begins the deeper process of healing. It reaches out to your superconscious mind, and together they send the energy up to the divine source. That is when the real cleansing happens. It is called transmutation of love, a divine purification that transforms the old data into pure love. And when the data when that inner cleansing takes place now, our outer reality begins to shift in beautiful and unexpected ways. So friends, I really insist you to keep practicing, keep clearing. You are not alone in this. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Say it gently, say it very often, and let the healing flow through your soul.